Welcome to our YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to retrieve matching records from two data frames in Scala in Databricks. So right now we have some sample data. We have employee info. In employee info, you can say employee ID, name, city, and country are the columns. Then we have another data set having employee ID, age, department, and salary. So in this video we are going to read this data into two different data frames, then we are going to join them and we'll retrieve the matching records on the basis of common columns. So here you can see employee ID and employee ID in both table is common. So let's move to our development environment. Okay, so here first of all you need to pull all the important libraries, that is your Spark libraries, which are going to help us to do this thing. So I have already uploaded this file into the Databricks cluster. So first of all, let's import libraries. Okay, import org dot apache dot spark dot sql dot. Now I need SparkSession and maybe row. Now I need all the function from the SQL, so I am going to call okay. Now I want to use types also, so here I'm going to call this library as well, SQL dot types. Okay, okay. Now we have to create a session, create a SparkSession. So we are going to create a variable where val spark equal to SparkSession dot builder dot app name. So we are going to retrieve match rows. Okay, then we are going to get or create. Okay, now we are going to bring the data, so we need a file empinfo. Then we need to another variable val file emp distribution. Okay, let's go to the my distribution file location. So here you can see we have Spark API format, and here you can see our file is located into the Databricks file storage. Copy this and move to. Okay, now we need another file, that is employee distribution. Copy path and we are going to copy Spark API. Okay, now we have two data files, so we are going to create a variable where. Now let's create a data frame 1 df1 to read the data from empinfo. So here you can see like Spark dot read dot options. So in options you are going to provide the property of your file. So header should be true. So in our file we have header dot csv. Then we are going to pass the our file path. Okay, then we are going to show df1 dot show to display all the data in this file, and going to run this cell. Okay, let's wait. For the time being, we are going to read the another data file, that is file distribution 1 csv. Okay, now you can see we have this data. Now we are going to read another data frame dfc. Just copy this and we are going to rename it df2. Then the file name is employee distribution. Now run this. So here you can see we are using Scala. So here you can see the data frame 1 and data frame 2. Okay, now we are going to create a data frame 3 df3 join df. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we are going to join df1 to join is the keyword, and df2 comma sequence, the name of the column EmpId, then the type of join, that is inner. Okay, and then we are going to display the data from this data frame. Join df dot show. Okay, and then okay, first of all we are going to do like this. So we are getting only 6 record instead of 7 record. This is because if you see our employee info table data, so we have 7 employee id, but in employee distribution employee id 4 is missing. That means there is no record in employee distribution. When once you are going to apply join, it is similar to SQL join on the basis of employee id between both data frames. So you can see EmpId 4 is not available. That's why if you see your final output, so in this data set employee id 4 is not available. Okay, if I'm going to use left join, then let's see. Here, so here you can see the data is available from the left table, but the corresponding record into the data frame 2 like age, department and salary is not available in the second data frame. Okay, so you can see it is very easy to retrieve the matching record from two data frames in Scala. If you want to add you want to join more than one column, so you can specify here. Okay, so please like, share and comment if you have any question, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching us.